we talk about how can you enable signals on your Pocket option app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you just click here on settings, you click on it, then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on indicators, you just click on it. So when you click on indicators, you go down here, come here to signals here, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here signals enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.